Good afternoon, friends. My name is Dr. Arth Shah. My friend Suhit Bhai came from USA. I've done his hair transplantation few months back. You can see he was having the grade 6 baldness and completely created nice hairline. So this is what we have created. You cannot see the donor. It is completely retained. You cannot see we have used small amount of punch. So by a few technique we have done it. And this is how it looks like. So this is a natural hairline which we have tried to create it. So, Sweet, what is your experience about the hair transplantation?
It's amazing jobs done, and I inspire another four people, and they are going to do that too with Dr. Arth Shah. And
My pleasure.
uh,
So, people are going to Turkey. People are doing it in US. What is your opinion about Indian doctors and now why India is becoming first choice for hair transplantation across the world?
uh, it's a great service, great customer service, and you can come to the natures, your motherlands, and it's pretty good jobs with the doctor. There is no, I don't prefer to go to Turkey. Uh, because I don't know any doctors there. It's not about any. I don't know the doctors, but if you come to the motherlands, meet with the doctor Arsha.
No, no, no. We make friends. This is what we want in life, and we try to do best of the best service because we know that people can go to Turkey, people can do it in US, but now India is becoming first choice.
First,
And as Indian doctors are very competent, we have 140 crore population in India, and we are so much equipped with everything. And the experience of a surgeon is very important. And as a plastic surgeon, we know what not to do and how to create
great.
a wonder and how to create the beautiful hairline designing. And this is what people want, and this is what we want. Thank you so much,
Thank
friends.